Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a plugin to Squarespace. Whether you're looking to integrate social media accounts or enhance your website with third-party tools, this process will help you expand your site's functionality in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites and their settings. Once you're on your homepage, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Select the website where you want to add the plugin by simply clicking on it. This will open up that specific site's editor and control panel, giving you access to all its customization options. After your site loads, look over to the left side of the screen and find the gear icon. This icon represents your settings menu. Go ahead and click on it, and the settings panel will appear, revealing various configuration options for your website. Now, still on the left side, scroll down until you find the option labeled Third-Party Tools. Click on it to access all the external integrations and plugins available for your Squarespace site. This is where you'll be able to connect various services and extend your website's capabilities. Within the Third-Party Tools section, locate and click on Connected Accounts. This area allows you to link your Squarespace site with other platforms and services. Once you're there, click the Connect Account button to begin the integration process. Here's where it gets exciting. You can now connect your Squarespace website to a variety of popular platforms including Facebook, Google Search Console, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Tumblr, ChowNow, 500px, Flickr, Instagram, and Foursquare Swarm. Choose the platform you want to connect and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. This integration will allow your website to interact seamlessly with these external services. After you've set up your connected accounts, go back to the Third-Party Tools menu. This time, click on Extensions. This section displays all the available extensions that you can plug into your Squarespace site, offering additional features and functionality that aren't built into the platform by default. Browse through the available extensions and take your time to see what each one offers. These extensions can range from marketing tools to e-commerce enhancements, depending on what your website needs. If you find an extension that suits your preferences and requirements, simply click on it to view more details. Finally, once you've selected your preferred extension, click the Connect button. This will initiate the installation process and integrate the plugin with your Squarespace website, expanding its capabilities and helping you achieve your specific goals. And there you have it. You've successfully added plugins and extensions to your Squarespace website, giving you more control and functionality for your online presence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.